In this video I will tell you how can you share your mobile internet data with your PC or desktop. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. So let's start the video now. Here you can see no one connection is appearing over here. So first I will connect to the internet by using the data cable between the mobile and the PC. So I inserted the cable. After inserting the cable into the PC, do these settings from your phone. Go to the Wi-Fi hotspot and open it. Other sharing mode, click on it. Here you can see share phone network via Bluetooth, share phone network via USB. So I want to share the data by using USB, so I will allow it. Just this setting you have to do in your phone. So after completing the setting, here you can see this sign, USB cable internet access, local area connection. So I use the USB cable to connect the internet data. Now let's check. Click on it. Details. So let's run the Google Chrome to check the internet connection. You can see here it's working. So by using the USB cable we can easily share the data